Introducing the most user-friendly ratchet strap ever designed. At-home weekend warriors and seasoned trucking veterans alike can appreciate the functionality and prowess of spin-free ratchets. Gone are the days of struggling and fighting the webbing to work it free. SPIN FREE's patented spinning mandrel allows for an effortless release. Don't let the smooth finish fool you. These ratchets are built to last and are tough enough to endure the rigors of heavy-duty loads and a variety of industrial needs. We take pride in our work, and we're on a mission to create the highest quality ratchet strap on the market. We believe in our product, and everything we build is created right here in the USA. SPIN FREE is available in 1-inch, 1.5-inch, 2-inch, and 3 or 4-inch options, including a variety of fastener configurations such as flat hooks, wire hooks, and whatever you may need to secure the cargo for your industry. SPIN FREE, the most user-friendly ratchet strap on the market.